Hi, welcome to the second video. This is about how to make dilutions. In the first video I showed how to make standard solutions, one that was around 5 molar and one here that was 3 molar. Now you just may have a situation where you have a solution and you want to get a range of different concentrations, and so how would you go about doing that? So what you do here is you use this formula C1V1 equals C2V2, and what you're trying to do is to create a solution that is less concentrated from something that's more concentrated. And so in this particular situation I'm trying to get to this 0.533 molar solution going from 3.08 molar. So what I have here is I also have the volume I want. So what I want is I want 250 mils of 0.533 molar solution. Now these aren't going to be standard solutions, so you're going to have an error from these, from your instrumentation that you use to dilute it out, and so there'll be plus or minuses here, whereas with this standard solution created here there is no plus or minuses, it's considered perfect. So what I want is I want 250 mils of 0.533 molar, and what I have is a 3 molar solution. So when I sum all these values in, I get to a value of 0.0443, which basically means if I add 44.3 mils, if I grab 44.3 mils of 3 molar solution, that will give me the equivalent number of moles diluted out to 250 mils of water. That will equal 0.533 moles. So that's how that you interpret that equation. Okay, so let's go about doing that. So I have my volumetric flask here that I'm going to fill, and here is the volumetric flask that contains the 3 molar standard solution, and so I fill in the burette so I can get 44.3 mils accurately in one shot, and so I measure it down to 44.3. I then fill up my volumetric flask and I make sure it's mixed, and now I have from a 3.008 molar solution I've created 250 mils of 0.533 molar solution. So now that you know how to make dilutions, please go on to the video number 3 on the technicalities of how to perform the actual titration.